Okay, so what are your names?
Christmas Eve. Gavin, and her name's Mia. Mia and Jolie.
And what is today?
Smashy. No, it's Jesus' birthday. Jesus' birthday.
And what do we celebrate?
For Christmas.
Oh.
Christmas. The Christmas season.
And what happens on Christmas?
Everybody gives everybody presents.
Is that it?